Have always wanted an electric spin scrubber where it didn't have a cord too, to just clean up stuff so much easier. Sick of scrubbing things down, and this one is awesome. It's cordless. It is chargeable by a USB cord here. It has the C over here, and you have the USB on the side. You open this one here on the end to charge it, and you can close it when you are not charging. Okay, so this is the main piece, and it comes with all these nice accessories. So this is here you just kind of take this over here. And this is the base for these scrubbers right here. These are just the plain scrubbers without the actual sponge on them. It comes with 2 of them, and you are going to put these on here. These are great for scrubbing the inside of the stove, places that need a little extra edge on them. These bring it out great. Then you can get into your nooks and crannies with this over here when you're trying to do the edges of the bathtub, the edges of anything that has little edges you need to get in there. This one over here works great to scrub down the glass in the showers from the mildew and all that stuff before you actually wash it down. Just scrub it with some of the whatever cleaner you're using. Absolutely incredible. Each one of these tackles so many jobs in the house that it's just going to make everything so much easier to use. This is definitely going to make cleaning a lot easier, and frankly, you're going to get into little places, be able to get big places without too much work. Awesome, great piece, definitely highly recommended.